Upgrade your dry erase board with the Digital Sales Leaderboard that automatically updates directly from most DMSs. Why are you still using printed reports and markers to track and motivate your staff? The Digital Dealership System Sales Leaderboard automatically updates multiple sales reports throughout the day directly from the DMS or CRM. The system can be customized by adding goals, CSI, custom reports, announcements, birthdays, and much more. The system rotates through reports automatically, or you can use the interactive option to scroll reports during meetings, training, using the wireless mouse. The Digital Dealership System offers a premium suite of digital sign and kiosk solutions for the modern dealer. The professionally designed and installed solutions increase dealer profits and drive future growth for all brands and sizes of dealerships. The constantly growing list of services and integrations make the Digital Dealership System the right partner for today's dealership and tomorrow's market leader. Visit our website or contact your local representative today to learn more and allow us to digitize your dealership.